my gifted paper airplanes. Open window. Paul, let's bring it strong. I love this song by Shinedown. It's got me all fired up, man. Am I sick or am I gifted? Let's figure it out one way or another right now. It's 3:27 in the morning. Yes, it is. It's 3 o'clock, almost 3:30. We're breaking till 4 o'clock in the morning. I was up early. I had a video and a voiceover shoot, man. I was wearing a CPAP machine on my face. It was fun. All right, Paul. This is going to be a lot of fun right here. Thank you. Good luck. Let's do it, man. Let's get out Harry Caray and just bring it strong. Harry Caray, I got Megan Fox, I got RBI Baseball. Let's make it happen for you, man. Little personal break action. All right, there's 2 10-box cases in here, Paul, so I'm going to grab one of them for you. Let's do Supreme first, and then NT. All right, odd, I'll grab the one on the left. Even, I'll grab the one on the right. Oh, that's awesome. It's still early. Whoa! All right. The dice says even. Paul, you can veto that. Veto, haha, pun on right there. Veto, he's still. The one on the right is the one the dice roll says, so I will try to get this one out. Yeah, I'm going to have to use both hands. Yeah! All right, there's the one on the right. Yeah! Up. The other case, maybe going up on eBay, or we'll bust it open on Sunday night. Ooh, Paul, you vetoed it! Paul, you want the one on the left? You tell me, man. If you're feeling lefty, Lucy, we'll do it, man. Good news is we only have one sealed NT case left, so I think it's vetoed. Veto's in the house. Yeah, I hear you, Paul. I'm gonna get the other one in. He says left. Okay, replaced. Your other one's sitting right there. That was the one on the right. Vetoed! With veto in the house. All right, here we go, Paul. It's done. One on the left. As fuel plays. All right, my knife from 1997's getting a little duller, but it's still working well. One. Good luck, Paul. Paul, you still got some fans, man. This is awesome. I can't believe it. We've been on this late, maybe a handful, not even a handful of times. No way. We're climbing up there the latest time ever. I think we did 3:30 one other time, but it's probably another night like this, Paul, when we were like opening triple threads for you. All right, last pack, thick pack. It's going on the bottom, man. Go on the bottom piece. All right, we'll get some Harry Carey Mojo on it. All right, guys. This is Paul's 10-box Supreme case. Heck yeah, I want to see him crush it too. All right, Paul, here we go, my man. Good luck. Heaven will let your light shine down on the brake pad right now. Here we go. Dallas Keuchel, 3 out of 15. Texas guys. Dallas. And Evan Gattis, 9 of 35. Gattis and Keuchel. Oh, Matty Carpenter, that's 20. And we have a redemption card. Oh, no, you like those die cuts. That's a nice one. All right, good luck. Other side. Purple Parallel. Giordano Ace Ventura. Good one. Chris Owings. Another low numbered out of 15. And Melky Cats. 17 out of 45. Melky Cabrera. Owings and Cabrera. Chris Johnson, Atlanta. 28 out of 50. And Koji Uehara, 18 of 35. Koji Cat. Give me a word, give me a sign. Show me where to look. Come on, baby. It's gotta be a huge card in here. Joe Kelly, 13 out of 35. Texas, Nick Martinez. Another low number out of 15. Yeah. How about there's an old time good? Ronnie Gans, 17 of 20. And the Brewers, Lucroy, 4 out of 50. Jonathan Lucroy. Check. Okay. We kept the feed going. Gonzalez. 25 out of 25. That's a nice card. I like old Juan Gon, man. His auto, old school. And Julio. 32 out of 50. Julio Teheran, Atlanta. Come on. Salava's playing now. That means it's got to be a boom coming. Mike Napoli. Check my beard out. 5 of 5. Boom. Duel on the other side. Duel. Heaney and Stanton Marlins. Boom. Stanton. Heaney. Marlins. Young. Well, Stanton got paid. I don't know. He ain't young anymore. That's a good pack. Napoli out of 5. And the duel. All right, Paul. Good luck, man. We got a little thicker card here. Oh, Albert! No, Paul. No, these are they're all sticker autos. Well, that's sweet. Giancarlo. All right, we know Albert Bell's hitting. Who's on the other side? Machado! Boom! 17 out of 25. Prime patch autograph, Manny Machado. And let's see Albert. Nice, 37 out of 45. Ron Gant and Albert Bell. Two good players from back in the day. All right, we got another one that's thick. Good luck, Paul. Come on, man. Come on, man. Three hits. Heaney out of 50. Supreme Styling. Rookie of Nick Castellanos. 30 out of 50. Simply Supreme. And DeGrom! Boom! A good closer card right there, Jacob. 44 out of 45. All of his rookies sell out of this stuff. Jacob DeGrom, great finish. All right, Paul, now it's NT time. Adam Bomb! It's on it, man. All right. Paul, let's see a boom out of here, man. Let's get a $5,000 card. All right. Dump them out. All right, Paul. Need one right here. Pretty Pretty thick box there, Paul. What do you guys think? Is that? I mean, that's a thick box. All right, Paul, I'll wait till you give me the green light. All right, Paul, I got you, man. It is go time. All right, that's the thickest box, so I'll save that one for last.
Tell me why I'm willing to die for this again. Thinking of the worst is behind. Turn around, but only to find. Tell me why I'm ready to die for this again. Now I'm wanting to try. Looking to my most in the line. Tell me why I'm willing to die for this again. Thinking of the worst is behind. Turn around, but only to
First one. Justin Irvin Upton. $66 of $99. Old school. Eddie Stanky, Brooklyn. 75 out of 99 all decade. 1940s. Earl Averill, 25 of 25. Sweet bat piece. On the baseball, numbered out of 25, Justin Upton. Upton, Atlanta. Nice one out of 25, Upton cat. Redemption, Paul. Sander. Baseball signature die cuts. I think that's the same card as that Upton. I think it's the same as that Upton. Signature die cut baseball. Eugenio Suarez, Detroit. 52 of 99. Detroit rookie piece. Silhouette. Boom! 3 of 5. Marcus Stroman. Stroman. Emerald green. It's a nice silhouette card. And this one here is Andres Galarraga, made in Venezuela, the big cat. He doesn't sign a whole lot. That's a nice one, Paul. That's a little boom action. 78 out of 99, the Big Cat, Galarraga, Colorado. And the book piece. Oh, good luck, my man. Whoa! Nice patch. And an auto of George Springer. Autograph book. Rookie auto prime patch. That's cool. Springer, 11 of 25. First book. Box 2. Wild Horse. Is that Yasiel, isn't it? 49 out of 99. Yeah, Wild Horse Puig. That's cool. Nickname card. William Malcolm Dickey. Old school junk right there. 15 out of 25. 15 out of 25. Dickey! Paul, I got a prime. George Thomas Seaver. 3 out of 25. Old Mets. Mets, gray and orange. Nice. Next up, Tucker Barnhart. Cincinnati catcher, 44 out of 49. Nice bat, autograph, rookie card. I don't see rookie card on it. I may have misspoke. I was looking for. It looks like a rookie. Tucker Barnhart out of 49. Redemption card. Rookie material signatures, silver. Christian Betancourt. The Braves Betancourt. Silver piece. $29 of 99. Nick Castellanos. Nick signed the acetate. I'm a window. Nice one of him. 29 of 99. Autograph relic. This one's a good one. Wei Chung Wang. Everybody Wang Chung tonight. 19 out of 49. I think these cards sell pretty good because of the way he autographed it. Pretty cool. Should I keep that extra fuzz on there for you too, Paul? All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Prince Albert. Boom! 4 of 5. The Player's Choice die cut of the great Albert Pujols. Surefire Hall of Famer. That's a sweet card right there. Congrats, Paul Pujols. Book piece. Votto-Matic. Here's old Joey. Joey Votto-Matic. And that's kind of the off color, like the camouflage style Votto-Matic. A little different than the one I got from a couple years ago. Votto-Matic. 97 of 99. All right, box 3. The thick box I'm saving until the end. All right. Good luck, Paul. Come on, man. Let's go. good book. Very good book. All right, franchise, Troy Tulowitzki. 06 of 99. Franchise. Tony Walker, 51 of 99. Colossal jersey cut. A little run in the thread. Seattle, 551 of 99. Timeline, Torrey, the Hunter. The Hunter, 9 of 25. Detroit Rock City. Where's the autograph? I want to see the autograph of young Torrey. Even though he's super old, man. He is super old. Dakota, yes. Not the Bass-O-Matic. Wasn't that from the SNL skit? 41 of 99. Willie Stargell. Sir Willie. They open up that whole thing by doing a blending of basses, didn't they? That was crazy. Whoa, look at that patch. Eddie Romero. Prime patch, 21 of 99. That's a sweet patch. Oh, we got a silhouette. Silhouette. Kiermaier, Tampa Bay, rookie. 24 of 25. Gold foil. Gold foil, Kiermaier. On the baseball, Archie Bradley. Arizona, 61 out of 99. On the baseball, Archie Bradley cat. Good young player. Next up, 42 of 99. Jose Abreu. Box is going to get ready to get a little better right now. 42 of 99. Abreu. Boom. Next card. One of the all-time greats on the mound. The Ryan Express. Boom! Oh, man. There you go, Paul. I like it. Gotta love the Nolan Ryan autograph. And that's the nickname version. That's sweet. Ryan Express book piece autograph. To go along with the other Houston Springer. 8 of 25. Astros. Love that orange. That is purda. Purda, purda, purda. All right. This box is chock full. Come on! Good luck, Paul. Come on. Good luck, Paul. Well, there's not anything super, super thick, but there's a lot of cards. Some thickness to the cards. All right, come on, good box. Starting off with Giancarlo Stanton. Stanton cat. 8 of 25. 8 of 25. Johnny Mize, 21 out of 25. That is one awesome old discolored piece of jersey. That's really neat. Johnny Mize, 21 out of 25. Sin Suchu Train, 25 out of 25. Sin Su Chu. Prime patch timeline. BH. Boom. Cincinnati's. Fine young rookie. Speedster. Billy Hamilton's. Nice prime patch and autograph. That's a sick card, Paul. Numbered to 99 even. I don't know how that is crazy. You got your flawless card coming in here soon, too. The next card is the reason why the box was pretty thick. Matt Davidson, Chicago. Rookie, colossal. Look at the patchwork in here. Now this is what I'm talking about. 6 of 25. Matty Davidson on the south side. Hope the next two are big. I got 3 more than the book. All right, Paul, get ready, man. This is a sick card. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Posey Cats. 2 of 5 silhouette with an awesome, awesome, awesome patch. Wow. Dude, that is incredible. Francisco. Paul, are you a fan of Buster or what? I'm not forget. 2 of 5 Posey. This card is heavy. It's straight up weighing my hand down right now. Not only because it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Wow, that's awesome. That thing pops. Those colors are something else. Orange and gold. Beautiful. All right, we got a Cubby at long last. Alcantara. 19 of 49. Boom. Man, this box was full of nice cards. Nice patch, nice relics. 19 of 49. Arizmendi Alcantara. All right, Paul, your flawless card. You know what? I'm going to show the book first. We got Miggy Cat, 19 of 99. And that is just a oversized pool cut of jersey, single color. 19 of 99. Miggy! And the flawless. 2 of 20 diamond of Ichiro. There's still a big market for Ichiro. And that is a nice flawless hit. Wow. Thank you so much, Paul. It is... Man, it's 4 o'clock. Welcome to 1 o'clock in the morning on the West. Paul, you're still up with me, man. Holy cow. Man, I tell you, NT is just such a great product to open. All those beautiful hits right there, Paul. I'm going to get... I'll get Nolan in a Magnet for you. Buster will be the magnet for sure, too. Thank you so much, Paul. Let me